I'm gonna go upstairs real quick. What's going on upstairs?
A lot.
A lot. All right, guys, we're taking it upstairs. Yeah. But like I was telling the young lady, you know, people build these houses, they buy the land, they get an architect, and they design it the way that they want to design it. And yeah, keep in mind, you know, obviously if you buy the home, you can pass it down to family members. There's all kind of things you can do. So another bedroom, options. We got options, but you gotta kind of do it the right way, which is not the hard way. It's actually the easiest way. But if you're looking for a shortcut, good luck with that. Okay. So this is what they call a pajama lounge. This is where everybody can come out and meet, watch TV, talk, or whatnot. And then, we go this way. There's another bedroom. He got his own bathroom. And then what I like about it, that you can come out here. This is cool. Keep in mind, guys, we're upstairs overviewing your property. Look at that. Yeah. It's kind of like a lantern, right? A little bit. Hey, this ain't nothing. This ain't nothing. This ain't nothing. Yeah. Yeah, this is. Yeah. Yeah, this is just like a lantern. You can do what? Yeah. Yeah.
Get up on top, you probably can't see the ocean.
So you can build something up there. Yeah, or up there. So now we're still upstairs, guys. We ain't even went downstairs. Well, we already been down there. This must be the master bedroom. Yeah, this must be the master bedroom. Or the main bedroom. Or the master bedroom. One or the other. Yeah. So, of course, this is the closet. Yeah. You know, you guys are always complaining, talking about we keep showing all these big houses. I mean, they have a lot of big houses. What me to say? A lot of big houses. And then, of course, oh, okay. Oh. You can actually come here. This is the downstairs area where we came earlier. And yeah, this is the garage. Even the flooring in the garage is pretty nice. So yeah, so you can actually pull in right there, and then come around, and voila. Yeah, so yeah, but this is the main. This is the show. Let me show you guys. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Say again?
Safe.
Ah. So this is the kitchen. Oh yeah, so they got in case it get crazy, there's a safe here, and you need to shut yourself in. I guess you have a key here. Yeah. You can give everybody the finger. IRS, you're not coming in here. Yeah. Yeah. In this case it get crazy. Yeah. And this is, what is this? I don't even know. I'm not going. He's a brave one. Yeah. All right, guys. So they get an opportunity to see this place here. This is gonna be special. That's all I can say.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss out on all things The Real South Africa. Thanks again.